There was a time when machinery auctions were raw, real, and thrilling. A handshake, a paddle, and a promise. Back then, every sale felt personal. A crowd gathered for opportunity, not algorithms. Then came the digital age. Auctions moved online, faster, global, and endlessly scrolling. Today, a single click can place a bid from anywhere on Earth. Competition has never been closer. But something changed. Companies stopped choosing between selling and auctioning. They decided to do both. Now the same firms list machines at retail prices while running their own auctions. Lines blurred, motives mixed. And when the seller becomes the bidder, the truth gets distorted. Phantom offers drive prices higher. It looks like booming demand, but many of those bids aren't real. They are echoes created to spark fear of missing out. The result, auction data that once showed real market value now hides manipulation behind glossy charts. Dealers and buyers are starting to question if the data's tainted. How can anyone trust the market? That's where machine tool search comes in. Your buying agent experts who know the system, the players, and the real market values. We cut through the noise, verify every deal, and protect your bottom line. Machine tool search, real data, real results, real value.